Hi, I'm Jessica Mele of therelaxedmarketer.com. I want to show you today about a free plugin that you can install called Pretty Links. Now, first, why do you need this? Well, this is an actual affiliate link to the Disney store that I set up for myself. And would you click on that? I mean, you have no idea where it's taking you, and it just looks like junk. Most people wouldn't click on it. But with the one I made right afterwards that uses my website, Relaxed Marketer, that looks like a nice link and you're more likely to click on it. On top of that, I can actually track this one so I can see how many people clicked on it. So I know if people are actually clicking on my link. So if you had the choice, which one would you click on? That's why I always use Pretty Links. I'm going to show you how to install it. It's really easy. It'll only take a few seconds. It's not technical at all, and it's free. So first, let's click over to the blog. And if you go to the side, you'll see it says plugins. And then you'll have install plugin, add new, or plugin file editor. You click on add new. And then over here you can search plugins and you just type in Pretty Links. And right here, as you can see that a lot of people are using it. Now, if I hadn't installed it already, it would say like it does over here, install now, and that's what yours will say. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on install now next to Pretty Links. And it'll install it. It'll only take a few seconds. And then you'll get a button right here that says activate. And then you click that. It'll be active, and that's all you have to do. It really is that easy. As you can see, I'm already using it, so it's already active. But that was all the hard work. I'll even show you how to use it. Again, it's really simple. So once you install it and activate it, you'll notice that on the sidebar, you now have something that says Pretty Links. And you can upgrade, but I still use the free version. So you click on Add New. The title, so you could put in, let's say we were creating the Disney one, I would say, let's say, Disney Store front page link, because I wanted to make sure that I knew that this one brought you to the front page. And that's just for something else I'm using. Then you won't have that. This will be the next thing you see, the target URL. And that's the URL I had copied over. And you want to make sure there's no spaces or anything, just the URL. And then what you want the person to click on. So it'll be your website, and then what do you want? So let's say, I think I put in Disney Store. And you can hit enter. That's it. You can write notes if you want to make sure you remember like where you're giving the link to, if you want to be able to track, let's say, if somebody comes from Twitter or if they come from somewhere else. And then you'll see right here, here's my front page link. The target is here, how many people have clicked on it, how many clicks and how many are unique when I created it. And that's the link. And if I click right here, I can copy it to the clipboard, and there you go. Now you have it installed. It took only a few seconds. And now more people will click on your link. You definitely will see a big increase in the number of people that click. I hope that was helpful.